It's David Graham here with David's Cane Machines, and this is the 2025 TT1500 brand new Shark Tooth Roller Edition. William, our awesome customer in California, ordered this machine, and this is the very first one to arrive in the US. And he's done a great unboxing job there. I want you to see how carefully we box up our machines so that they arrive in perfect condition, so that you have a premium arrival, premium product, all with the consumable spare parts included with every order. And you can see there how it arrives. Now, William chose out of his own sugarcane garden a very large sugarcane to test out the machine for the very first juicing. Look at the diameter of that cane. It is super fresh. He just cut it a few minutes prior from his garden, and he's filming this. He's so excited. He's juicing out while the machine is still on the wooden crate pallet. And look at that. The cane is easily going in with the Shark Tooth Roller technology. Gets out 70% extraction volume. That's 700 ml per kilogram of sugarcane, and it can make up to 4 liters a minute. We put multiple canes in at a time. Now, William here is going to enjoy some really wonderful, fresh, healthy sugarcane juice from his very own garden. Couldn't be better than that. How much I wish to be there with you, William. William and I got to know each other pretty well during this transaction. He's a wonderful person. Looking forward to meet him in the future. And there it is. Look at the color of that juice. So fresh, so healthy. And he's pouring the first glass made in the first TT1500 2025 early release. And we thank you, William, so much for your order, for your trust, and we wish you all the best as you start your sugarcane business. If you'd like more information and a quote on the TT1500 2025 brand new model, please contact me on the number below. Your like of this video is much appreciated and helps me be seen by many. If you're new, subscribe. Thank you for watching.